Okay, so we are from Goa State Innovation Council. So we have introduced a new concept of virtual innovation register. So suppose any student have a different idea, innovative idea, so they can apply and they can register that idea on the virtual innovation register. So हांगा कितें जाता एकदा तुमी आयडिया तुमची रजिस्टर केली, then you are getting access to use the prototyping facilities of Goa State Innovation Council. So we have different technology over here. We have a 3D printing technology over here where we can develop the prototyping work. We can develop the different types of models. Okay. Then we have drone technology with us, so we can implement the drone technology. If you want to build a drone also, then we are supporting the innovators to build a drone. So my colleague is there. He's going to explain about the robotics thing.
Hello everyone. So we specialize in drones as well as robotics. So we have multiple drones over here, from small scale FPV drones used for recreational purposes to large scale agriculture and surveillance. We also have a design drone with us for professional shootings.
So we are basically helping the innovators of the state of Goa or outside the state of Goa. So normally आम्ही कितें करता की आता whatever innovation idea आसा त्या आयडियाचेर आम्ही process करता. For example, any person have the idea, innovative idea, we are trying to build that idea, convert into that idea into the tangible good product and into a good prototype. So तुम्ही हांगा पळोवपाक शकता. So we have a different set of projects over here which are done by the students only, and we are also supporting any student who come up with a good innovative idea. Plus also we are providing the funding for the projects and all. We have a lot of funding, so I'll show you. To develop all these projects related to your projects also. So we have a different schemes for the projects and all. We have a scheme for patent filing, we have a scheme for the projects development, and there are some more encouraging schemes are available. Then you can do lot of many projects and you can approach to us. We're going to build a good product for you and we can help the innovation. The Department of Science and Technology and Waste Management, Government of Goa are supporting the innovators who are in the field of environment or innovation in the and societal impact. So taken one एक category असा, it's having a winning prize of ₹2 lakhs cash prize. So you can apply for this event if you are a good innovator or if you are a good scientist. You can have a QR code. You can scan this QR code and you apply before 7th of February.
Hello, my name is Hiren Dekne. We are here at the third Destination Goa exhibition in Panjim. This is my product, Tarvoti Premium Coffees. It's a made in Goa product. And I want to thank Adi Village Industries Board for giving us the opportunity to showcase my product here. Tarvoti, take Goa.
Namaste, my name is Tanushree Basne. My pottery studio name is Tilottama Pottery. So I made handmade jewelry. These are all intricate designs. I made by myself. I learned my pottery under KPIC unit only. They have their college in Khanapur. It's called Central Village of Pottery Institute. I did my 4 months pottery training from there, and then now I'm making my own. I have my studio in Goa itself, that's in Mandur, Dongrim if you know. You can come and visit to my studio any day you want. Here I make miniatures and all that I have put for display, and my jewelries of course. Come and visit any day if you want in my pottery studio. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Priya Singh. I am geologist from Geological Survey of India, State Unit Karnataka and Goa. So basically, I think the previous versions of my research would have dictated very well that what legacy we are maintaining till now. I would like to tell you about our websites, which is www.gsi.gov.in. Anybody can pursue this website. Any information can be grabbed from this website, as well as the portal which we carry forward for the mineral exploration and for every sort of thing, every knowledge can be gained from it is NGDR portal. So anybody can pursue it, anybody can get any information, whatever he or she requires. Thank you.
Geological Survey of India is the oldest scientific organization in our country, which has started its journey way back in 1851, and this is the 175th year of our existence in this country. We have mapped the entire country, both lithological wise and geological wise, and augmented the mineral resources of this country for all these years. Basically, Geological Survey of India initially was started for exploration of coal, and later on it has expanded its ring in all mineral resources of this country. And We have 6 regional offices located. The main headquarters is located at Calcutta. The 6 regional headquarters are located at Hyderabad, Nagpur, Lucknow, Jaipur, Shillong, and Calcutta. We have office in each and every state headquarters, wherein the geological activities of the particular state has been taken care of. Recently, we have augmented mineral resources of various mineral resources, and there are different type of mineral exploration blocks that we have given for auctioning to the state government, which has been put for auction, and huge amount of revenue has been generated by all this mineral wealth that Geological Survey of India has explored. Thank you.
It's Dr. Kunal Anil Gaikwad. I am working at branch office Pune, which is situated at College of Agriculture, Shivajinagar, Pune. It is protection of plant varieties and farmers' right authority branch office. So, actually, what are we doing here is we are registering the plant varieties which are traditional or which are developed by the farmers. So the farmer did not have to pay any fees. The farmer just have to submit a 4 pages application with prescribed amount of seeds, which is tested for 1 year in the field, and whatever data is collected, it is published in a Plant Variety Journal of India, which is published by the authority itself. It is monthly, and after it is so this is given a pre-grant opposition of 90 days, that is 3 months, and if there is no any opposition, the certificate is received to the farmers. So there are many benefits to the farmers. One of it, if a nursery man procures the seed of the farmer and he is multiplying and selling it, the farmer gets the royalty. The farmer also gets the compensation related to the loss of his crop in this act. And what is protection? Protection is nothing but no one can sell, export or import the registered material or the seed material without the permission of the breeder or its owner. So what is the history of this act? So India being the member of World Trade Organization, and one of its agreement was TRIPS agreement. So in this TRIPS agreement, India was bound that it has to come with its own law about protecting the plant varieties. So the government of India came with passed a bill called Protection of Plant Varieties and Farmers' Right Act 2001, and the rules were passed in 2003. The office, the head office is at New Delhi, and it was established in 2005. There are 5 branch offices all over India. One is in Pune, next one is in Shimoga, one is in Ranchi, one is in Palampur, and the other one is in Guwahati. So whoever has to apply for the application can send his application to this branch offices or directly to the head office with the prescribed form and planting material. The state agriculture universities as well as ICR or KVKs, they can also apply. The difference is that the farmer has not have to pay any fee, but the state agriculture universities should pay the fees or the application fee or the dust test fee. So the more information is available on www.plantauthority.gov.in. So thank you, and take the benefit of applying your own variety.
Hello, good afternoon. This is a stall of Ministry of Jal Shakti, and I am Zahir Ali, Assistant Director 2. And with me, I have my Assistant Director 2, Mrs. Anzi Kamal. This is Ministry of Jal Shakti stall, and we are presenting it here. Actually, we are giving all the information regarding the flagship schemes of ministry, flagship programs. Like if you see in my left side, there are some schemes, for example, Jal Jeevan Mission. In that scheme, we have the tap water connection all over in rural areas of Goa, which have almost 2,63,000 households, and we have achieved almost 100% 100% of household for tap connections.
Myself, Ramachandran, senior geologist from Bangalore. So, as the sir said, Nandagopal sir said that GSA is working in different missions. So, we are working in mainly we are working in a mission mode. Mission for the mapping, then we have the exploration, then public food science like landslide study, earthquake monitoring, or hydrothermal, and other factors, societal public food science, and then we are having the training institutes for training to import the training for the scientist organization and departments and other institutes. So basically, in the main focus is to with a vision to support the development, national development. So in mission, mostly we are focusing on the mineral exploration related works. So to augment the resources, mineral wealth of our country. So that we are coming in the form of auctioning. So in Goa, particularly if you think about the Goa, so we having a lot of iron resources on there. So that what is the quality, what is the grade, and what is the tonnage, then what are the occurrences are there. So those things we are already documenting it properly. So in addition to the basic geological mapping, geochemical mapping, then geophysical mapping, then aerial geophysical data mapping, that is a baseline data we are generating with advance to the exploration work. So now we having the number of programs, exploration programs in the pipeline, like for iron ore, like for bauxite, for some ultramafic PG related minerals, and some critical mineral exploration programs. So that is the need of the hour. So in addition to that, we having a lot of programs for the landslide studies or geotechnical studies. So to help or support the society, local people. So in Goa. Thank you.
Please like, share, subscribe to Alert Goans.